Hey folks, this is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas. If you listen to the Dine Drink Vegas podcast, you've heard John call me the leader in the luxury lounge. That's because I usually book suites in nicer rooms. If you've been following this channel for a while, you've seen me book 2 different suites here at the Treasure Island. I've got reviews on this channel of a tower suite and a petite suite, but today I did something different. Today I booked the cheapest room at the Treasure Island, and I want to show you a little bit about what to expect. Now, one of the reasons to book this hotel is it's got the best gambling odds on the Las Vegas Strip, far and away. And it's still a nice, clean place. It's not like some of the cheaper, dingier places that I've stayed. It's not associated with any of the other major hotel groups, but it's a nice room. I mean, it's got some dark tones, but it's a nice place. And one of the things that I appreciate is even just this old school door handle so that when my friends are coming by, it's easy to let them in. Now, coming into the bathroom to check it out, and it lights up well. You've got some nice marble effects. There's only the one sink, but that's fine. And one of the things that I love is that they've actually got the old school bath amenities here. They don't have just those cheap, like tubs of dispensed product on the shower stall. The Alexandra Spa is the spa they've got downstairs. It's actually really nice. Alexandra being the wife of one of the earlier hotel owners. I've forgotten the story, but like the bath products, it's their own brand, but it's nice stuff. They've got an Italian at marble here to cover up the sink shower combo, or pardon me, tub shower combo. It's nice. It looks like they need to clean it a little bit, but still, right? Like it's a nice space. Turning it on, it's easy to operate. It's got good water pressure. I tried it out later on. It's got a good temperature. So the bathroom, it's not that it's super fancy, but it's nice. There's plenty of places to plug in your stuff. So as we come out into the room, and you've got a pretty standard closet, right? You've got, and then this is one of my favorite features, you've got a refrigerator with your own stuff. It's not a mini bar, but one of the great hacks of Vegas is going to the CVS downstairs to get your own bottle of liquor or your own beers or whatever. You can keep your own medicine or food in there. That can save you so much money on a trip to Vegas. Again, it's mostly just kind of a standard closet here, but let's go out into the main area of the room. And first, you see that they've got the possibility for connecting rooms. Now, that's not what I was doing on this trip, but that can be great if you're traveling with a group, if you want to get together more closely. Coming out here into the room, I actually kind of appreciate the fact that this isn't the fancy draperies that you do the touch button, like you can just open it by hand. If you want this nice view of the Strip, you have to ask for it, although frankly, folks, I just got lucky and it's a gorgeous view. Now, do know that 2/3 of the views from the Treasure Island don't look that way, but I got lucky here in my room. Coming back over here, lights are easy to operate. We've got plenty of power plugs scattered around different places. There's just the one there, but there's some more behind it. It's a nice room. I appreciate that they've got the cups because that way, again, that life hack I gave you earlier, you can just bring your own liquor to the room. Coming here to the side of the bed, there's a USB plug and another power plug. So it's not that there's a lot of plugs in any one place. It's that there are plugs scattered all over. So you've got plenty of places to plug in your stuff. And I hate going to Vegas and having to find places to plug it in. Now, I'm old and I love the fact that there's paper to write on. One of the things that I do is I leave a tip for my housekeeper every day, somewhere between $5 and $20, depending on the size of the room. And that lets me leave a little note saying, hey, you can take this money. Also, I kind of appreciate the memento of the hotel. Once you've opened up that window, there's plenty of light in the room. And I mean, it's a nice space. You got a plenty big TV. Let's come around here and let's get on the bed real quick. Let's see how soft this is. Yeah, it's great. Probably shouldn't have lain down on it with my boots on, but don't judge me. That's what I'm here for. This bed is super comfortable, although it's the exact same bed as I've had in the suites before. So again, folks, this is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas, and I'm here inside a regular resort room at the Treasure Island. It is the cheapest room at the hotel, and I'm glad I booked it. It's not as nice as the suites that I normally book, but it's inexpensive. It's super easy to get into. It's for a hotel with a great location by the Venetian and by the Wynn and by what will eventually be the Hard Rock and what used to be the Mirage, and it's a hotel with great gambling. I hope this video has been helpful to you because what we try really hard to do at Dine Drink Vegas is bring you short and focused videos which give you the information that you need to plan your next trip. If we've done that, please support the channel by clicking like and subscribe. And know that every comment you leave in the comment section below helps YouTube show our videos to more people, and we love to hear from our listeners. Thanks so much.